Hi everybody, this is Andrew from LangWatch. I'm one of the lead developers, and today I have something exciting to show you. We are introducing prompt versioning to our optimization studio. So let's get started. We can see we are now in the optimization studio workflow dashboard. To quickly create a new workflow, jump right in and create a blank template, new workflow. And this is the way it's been already. So if you're not familiar with the studio, I suggest you go and check out our docs or check out one of our other videos to get a little bit more familiar with how the optimization studio works. But the cool new thing is this LLM node here now has versioning. So you can see you click on this and it will automatically create a version prompt configuration for you. So it starts off with the standard configuration that we had loaded in the node as part of the studio. And then you can see here, we have the option to change any of the things like we did before. So if I change this to the O1 model, for example, and then we save the version here, save to O1 model. You can see we've now saved a new version. And if I decide that I wanted to revert, we can go backwards. So this is something that we have, so it automatically saves from the node when you create it in the studio. And this will let you go back to the original configuration from the node before you changed it. Boop, and we can see right there the model has been changed. We can also change the prompt here. So cool. And then we can save this, new prompt. Cool. And so we can see here we have the history here. One of the nice things is that all the versions, they always go forward. So you can see we have a restore point. So you can kind of keep track of the actual history of the prompt version. And just like before, we can go back to the original here. Or, if we wanted to go back to the version where I saved the 0.1 model, we have it right here. Cool. And so now, say that you wanted to reuse what you've already saved. Now we've created a new node. This comes in with our default here. You can see it's all stored up with the default, but we want to use the one that we had from before. So now we actually have a library here of different prompts that we can use. So if I click on this, you can see now we have the same prompt that's using all of the same settings. And again, I have the full history here. So I wanted to go back to use the original node here. You can see everything goes back to this original version. So you can see also this is the workspace for the studio. So we can use this node or this node with these independent, going crazy, these two different independent nodes with these different independent settings. So when you're pulling in the versions, we are pulling in the configuration. So everything is saved, but your workflow still remains fully intact. So this is all really great. All these different settings work, but now say that we wanted to go back and kind of see what different versions that we have. We also have a new prompt library. So you can see these are the different versions, the different prompts that we've created. You can see when we've last updated them. And this is very similar than what we had before, in the optimization studio. So you can see we have all of the information here, but we can also edit this, right? So say we want to change the temperature to 0.3. Right, and change this, cool new prompt, and also change this name. We wanted to change this to Drew's prompt. We go ahead and save that here. Lots of changes. Cool. So now we see the name is actually updated here as well. So the idea is we have a prompt configuration that has its own versions, but now we can reference this by the name. We can see it has the 8 different versions. We have all the different configurations that we had here. And if we go back to the studio here, you can see that none of the nodes have changed. So if this is your working space, and you have a shared team with shared configs, changes to the prompt aren't going to directly mess up your workspace or your existing evaluation nodes. However, you do have all of your libraries available to you. So you can see this is the prompt that we changed. Click in here, and we have everything connected. So that's basically it. I hope that you are excited as we are about these this new prompt library, and give it a run and let us know what you think.